Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss.
Happy Earth Day! Did you know that Earth Day falls on April 22nd every year? This year, the third grade team went out and did a scavenger hunt. We also had some students tell us what Earth Day means to them.
I think that Earth Day, to me, it means like to saving our planet and animals. Because how we learned in the video, like the leopards, like their ecosystem is like dying. So we need to save them. So that's what I think Earth Day means to me.
Well, Arnie needs to find the world can be. Where is it again? I need to find sticks. Yeah, where's the stick? It's right there. Need a stick right there. That's grass. That's a leaf. That's a leaf. We're finding the stick. What's right here? A stick. Get the stick.
Sergeant! Saw someone recycle.
Disgusting. Hi.
I see a bee.
I found two stuff inside. Oh, right here, up top of the bird poop. The second one.
So I think Earth Day means keeping your community clean and nice.
Where? It's in the other side.
What's that for your Checo?
Better. And we already did it.
Soil?
Oh yeah, there's many rocks.
Yeah, there's rocks.
You should try to look. You try to look right there. Right there. And those over there.
Something green. Something green is grass.
It's something green.
So what Earth Day means to me is to take care of the earth with your community and to not litter.
Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer.